These are two Carrier air conditioners at a commercial property. Both of them were running a few minutes ago, but now only this one's running. And even though they are mounted up on legs, they are both straight cool units. And this one has the low ambient kit engaged. And this one is like really sharply tilted. That cannot be good for it. I mean, they do appear to be installed well enough. Like, there's plenty of airflow, decent amount of space to gain access for servicing the units. It's just that this one is tilting to the side. And the suction line is getting very sweaty. Sorry about that, I accidentally switched out of video mode. But yeah, as I was saying, the suction line is very sweaty. And I don't feel like going back there, but this one is a 2000. No, maybe I can read it from here. I think that one says 02. This one's a 2000. This one's a 2000. Let's take a look. This one's yeah, they're both 2000. Two 2000 Carrier TECH2000 straight cool units. And this one does work. It was running when I went by here a few minutes ago. Coming out of that is intense. Alright. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.